I started petting Mama, and then the baby got all low and wanted me to pet her too. Oh, Mama. Oh, Miss Opal. You're so sweet. And then there's little Fatso in there eating. And then there's the other black one. Alright, y'all. So this is the boy that I'm going to be keeping. He is silver, but he also has light brown going through his back. I don't know what to name this precious little baby. So if you guys have any suggestions at all, let me know. He is just a sweetheart. I love him.
He wipes.
I love him. And we cannot go with Sterling because that is a name that we had already decided we're not doing. But he loves so much. The peaches are starting to fall off the tree, which is an awesome thing because they are ripe. So I don't have my my tripod, but we've got the basket, which looks like a little Viking ship. That's why I bought it. It's really cute. So let's get going. I'm just gonna put the basket down. We're just gonna start picking because the ants, that's not good. The ants are getting it. We're gonna cut them up and put them in smoothies. So I think that it'll be okay. They smell so good. Look at that. That's beautiful. I can't believe we grew our own peaches. This is the first year that we've had this tree. Well, we got it last summer. We planted it. It went through the winter, and then this year is the first year that we have it like actually blooming. So maybe this is our second year, but that's pretty awesome. So I'm going to pick these and then I'll show you the basket. So here is the peach haul. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we had 13 peaches total because we waited a little too long. Some of them do have holes like this from ants and bugs, but I'm just going to cut those out. What we're going to do is use these in smoothies. But I had one the other day, and I'll tell you what, these are some of the tastiest peaches I've ever had. But look how deep that hole goes. But it's okay. We'll just cut that piece out and that piece out, and we still have all of this. So this is actually a little potato that I pulled out of the garden. So yeah, and then of course I have to show this cute cup that my mother-in-law got me. Super appreciative. So another benefit of having rabbits and chickens is that this pile is a pile of all the poop and hay that just looked like it was just too much to be in their rabbit area. And I already mixed food in it, so these chickens are going wild. It is like 10 o'clock, so they're probably pretty darn hungry, but they are loving it. And this little lady right here, she has had a bare butt since I got her, and we're coming into molting season now, and I don't know if you can see all those ugly pin feathers, but they're finally growing back. It's amazing. I'm so excited for her. She survived the butchering. We got through 3 chickens, and I was like, I can't do anymore. Chickens are gross to me. So these girls are just doing so well. I do think I have 2 roosters, so we're gonna have to deal with that eventually, but they haven't started crowing, so I'm not worried about it. But the coop is ready for winter. We put all these rocks up here, or these stones, we piled them up to make kind of like a dam type deal. And so they've already pulled off all the dirt. I knew they were going to do that, but it is ready. And of course we have 2 chickens in here. Texas, walk away, buddy. And so there are the chickens. Are you guys sharing? You know, there's two nests, right? It's empty. You don't both have to be in there. It's not that cold. They did lay a couple eggs in there yesterday. I don't see any right now. But today's a nice day. I don't ever get to work on the farm, so getting to do all this farm work is really nice. So, and then I took the green thing off of the front of this because we really haven't had any hawk attacks lately. So there's that. And then there's the second little coop for them to hide in. And I'd like to open up the back of the garden for them, but I'm also thinking I might want to just put some rabbits in there. Haven't decided yet. And the biggest thing I was worried about was my asparagus, but I think I'm just gonna have to try again next year because it's looking really, really sad. But you know what? I learned so much with this garden this year, and I realized that I'm going to grow only what I really need. Some beans and just like certain things that we eat on a day-to-day basis. Maybe some other varieties, but for the most part, we're just going to be practical. And then one thing I'm very excited about next year is that this actually, I believe, is going to be a big sunflower field. Not big, but it's going to be pretty nice size, because I really like the idea of harvesting a bunch of sunflower seeds. So I'm going to get back to work though. Again, I don't have my tripod. I need to find it, but I think that, oh, these birds are mean to each other. They like pull out feathers and stuff. What turds. But okay, I'm gonna get back to work. It was just a grape. You love that? Oh, you don't like the kisses? Your lips are gonna be all purple. Rabbits are just my favorite. I can't give you another grape, but would you settle for a blueberry? No? Little blueberry. Does anybody want a blueberry? Do you want a little blueberry? You have to come on camera. I'm trying to use my phone case as I didn't need to make a video of me in my pajamas in my rabbit pen eating grapes and blueberries, but the rabbits don't want to be on camera. They're like all right over here. Come here. One thing about rabbits is you really can't. They're kind of like pigs. There's no hurting rabbits. Don't chew on that. Stop. Little bunny rabbit, why don't you come on this side of the camera? I spend every day with them. Like, I try to spend at least 10 minutes a day with them. So they're pretty socialized. They're just sillies. There it is. Walk away, Texas. They're like playing with this thing. I'm gonna try to get a baby. Oh, nope. Got it. Oh, ouch! Stop scratching. Don't scratch. It's okay. Just don't fight to love. Just don't fight to love. I don't suggest this with rabbits, but sometimes it has to work. Okay. Okay. This is a little skitty rabbit. Why are you so skitty? Why are you so skitty? See, now I gotta hold you and love on you. So whenever I have a baby rabbit that is real scared like this, and I don't do this to adult rabbits because you will lose their trust like instantly if you do this. But with rabbits that are still babies, it's okay to take them and love on them and hold them and just get them used to it. Because first of all, wait, now you're gonna be in front of the camera when I need to show your baby? I'm not gonna give you any more grapes. It's not happening. But with this one, I'm gonna cover its ears. It's meat. It's a meat rabbit. So it doesn't need to be super handled, but I'd like it to not be terrified the day, its last day. Oh, well, what are you doing? Oh, okay. Baby got away. Oh. This is the girl. She's a lot more friendly. There's two girls and a boy. Oops. I don't usually hold her out to the camera, so. Okay, there she is. Okay, fine. I don't know what their issue is. They're usually very friendly to me. They let me hold them all the time. I think they're camera shy. Opal. See? She hangs out around me. Do you want a grape? Do you want a grape? You gotta come on camera. Do you want it? I'm trying to lure them. This, if you want to be a rabbit owner or a rabbit farmer, be ready to constantly have just scratches all over you. That is your destiny. But rabbits are the best. As the kids would say these days, they're 100. Yeah, right, Opie. I mean, just look at that baby. Daisy. Hi, Daisy girl. Isn't she pretty? Oh, Opie says she's pretty too. Hi, baby. Well, I think you guys have probably seen enough of me hanging out with a bunch of rabbits, wearing pajamas, eating grapes. But y'all have a great night. I'm gonna enjoy myself here.